Hi, I'm Bruce with the Wyze Wizard team, and today we're going to talk about setting up the Wyze V3 camera. So we should have some fun with it today and get you through this. It shouldn't take too long, and we'll start there. So this is the Wyze V3 camera right here, and this is the one we're going to be setting up. You're going to start on your app, so you should have the Wyze app downloaded and installed and ready to go, and your account created. Once you go to the Wyze page to set it up, there's going to be a plus sign at the top left side of your app. You're going to hit that, and then it's going to give you a drop down menu, and you simply select add device. So once you get the device up, you want to look for cameras, and then there'll be a selection of cameras to choose from. You're going to want to select the camera that you have. In this case, it'll be the Wyze Cam V3, and then that gives you the steps to set it up step by step. So the first thing that it's going to have us do is plug the Wyze Cam V3 into a power outlet. So I have the camera here, I have the plug-in here, and then we're going to simply plug it in. It is a USB type, USB, mini USB, so it's going to go in one way and one way only. And you plug it in and get it started. So now that we have it plugged in, it's up and operational. Now we'll hit next on the app, and then it says put the base away from your Wyze Cam V3 to set up the camera. So we're going to pull the base away, as you can see right here, and there's a couple of buttons on the bottom of that, and then press setup.
Ready to connect.
So ready to connect, I've heard it, and then I'll hit next. All right. Now that I've connected to the network and I signed in with my username and password to my Wi-Fi, it's going to give me a QR code. So I'm going to literally make sure that I have the film off the V3 camera, and then I'm going to point
QR code scanned. Please wait.
And it says QR code scan, please wait. So now all I have to do is select it, hit next, and it's going to be connecting to the network. So now the app and the camera is doing everything else for me. All I have to do is be patient and wait for it to finish the connection and setup, which should be relatively automatic. So now the setup is complete. So I actually heard the camera say setup is complete, and now we get to name the device. So you can name anything you want: front door, back door, kids' room, neighbor's house, whichever one you want to go. Don't recommend the neighbor's house, but that's good. We're going to use front porch cam, and then it's going to give us the finish, and we're going to go ahead and finish the setup. It gives you some terms and conditions about Cam Plus, and Cam Plus allows you extended recording, extended storage, and some added features. So I'll leave that up to you if you would like to sign up for Cam Plus or not, but I highly recommend it. I can either select to share my device. If you would like to share a device with others in your house, you are welcome to at any point, but that is going to be up to you if you have other people in the house you want to share. Once the setup is complete, you can actually view the live stream on the device, and it will start recording right away in HD quality. So it is up and operational, and that is the setup of the V3 camera.